Right. Today I will inform you some important information. Earlier already we have done one chapter. We started in the beginning only related to inverse trigonometric functions. So we have done PUC level theory as well as CET little bit mains level. Not complete depth, but little bit. Because PUC CET to some extent different level also we should touch it. Therefore some mains concept related problems we just touch and go like that we did. But what happened is I came to know that majority of our West fellows they are not utilizing material properly. Not utilizing in the sense they didn't take material from the college only. Unnecessary we are wasting time and material, dirty fellows, waste fellows, scientists sleeping. Mains related IIT students they have taken. IIT students are good. Okay? NEET students are bad. CET students are bad. Related to this JEE mains level, we have got limited number of copies. Maximum 150 are like that. Related to JEE meaning is mathematics, particularly all the modules plus physics, chemistry. Those copies, limited number of copies taken to given to JEE students, okay. What about these two? Not taken. But we are actually started doing for CET, first of all, not mains level, everyone. All are not writing mains, 700 students. Hardly 150 or less than that. So, last time when I started doing inverse trigonometric functions, material from this material, level 1, level 2, we did these problems. These students got material okay. Very good. What about otherwise fellows? Not taken material. What material not taken here? Physics, chemistry, biology. This bundle, I will keep it in the bus stand, railway station. This bundle. See? This is exclusively for NEET students. Like maths module wise, we have level 1, 2, 3 type variety problems, questions and everything in this bundle. Bundle is here only. Nobody is taking it. Nobody is showing interest. Then this bundle I should keep it on my head. Simply. And as per the situation, now I am telling you. As per the situation. What is the situation you know very well. And this academic year, for second years it is very worst situation. They are in a very difficult condition, very, what you say, under difficult level conditions only. Means, when they will start offline, nobody knows. No guarantee for offline. Only you are depending on online. And hence, total topics are syllabus in all subjects. You have to depend on this only. At present, when they will start anyway, we don't know today. If they start also, how many days you will get? No idea. Suddenly they will announce 1 month or 2 months before and therefore full syllabus and wind up and hence we are happy. For their concern they are okay. For you? No. Careful. At least today onwards, you start your preparation very seriously. How you will start seriously preparation? One chapter if you are doing PUC level, parallel immediately CET level you have to finish it. I am asking about CET is reason because it is common to all, not only IIT, not only NEET. CET is nothing but a base level, little bit for both of them it is useful. Okay. You are not writing exam, IIT and NEET exam before theory. Correct? Even CET also you are not writing before theory. But time will be very less for you. You will not get more time after theory examinations. Suddenly they will announce all exams at your time. What you will do? Don't expect they will reduce the syllabus and therefore we are very happy. No problem, 50% they will reduce. No, you don't know. Last week they announced the syllabus, reduced syllabus. Reduced syllabus, not deleted syllabus. I am explaining practically, very careful. Okay, I will explain practically. What is reduced syllabus? What is deleted syllabus? Suppose if this is your syllabus, okay, this is your chapter. You take one chapter, length of the chapter, matrices, determinants. Okay, this is the chapter. Chapter is not deleted. It is there. Introduction, definitions, properties, examples, exercise 1, 2, 3, and again theorems, again results, proof, and then properties of determinants, system of equations, consistency, inconsistency. That is removed. Then where you are? You have to do full chapter. Last single bit something is removed only. Chapter is not deleted, reduced, compressed. Almost in second year. All chapters in maths I am calling. Physics, chemistry, biology, don't ask me. That is your headache and others' headache. I don't know what they will tell. Therefore, example I am showing you. Theory. Consistency, inconsistency, if they remove, what is that you are missing? Nothing. Almost you are doing chapter. Once you do 1 week, 1 hour chapter you are removing. What is the use? Nothing is missing. No difference. It shows that scientifically and technically nobody can delete the chapter in second year. Technically, scientifically. Because all chapters are important. Hence remember, you have to concentrate, complete syllabus. Where you have time? When there is 10 months offline only, you are unable to finish. 10 months not there. Offline not there. Assume today, as on today, offline not there. When they will announce, God knows. You are dreaming, compulsory they will reduce the syllabus. We are lucky. 50% they will reduce, they remove, calculus they will remove, matrices they remove, removing, dreaming. Come out. All waste papers. See that you have all the chapters. Suddenly, okay? No reduction, no discount, no commission, nothing is there. Then how you will finish your syllabus? After theory exam, I will start fresh CET and until then I want to improve my CET or PUC only means you have one academic year. Therefore, with all these questions, answer is with you. You start practicing parallel. Parallel. What is meaning? Theory you finish, as well as objective CET level you finish. Because in theory exam there are 1 mark questions. It will support. 1 mark questions are there. At the same time, you have experience with the objective how to attempt questions. Practice them. Improve speed. Okay. Deleted one, rejected one, or reduced one is not important. You remove first. Keep in your mind everything is there. If bundle is here, you are at home, parents will write exam. Parents will write exam. I will write exam. Irritating. You should take these copies immediately. You come and collect the material in the college in 2-3 days maximum. Don't expect you are at 100 kilometers and I cannot come, Amma, got to this, therefore no reasons under any circumstances. How you will manage to collect the material, your headache. Attend online in the sense, don't take books and everything. How you say? Okay, mathematics not there and how to do? You are asking about CET story. Neat material, okay, I will collect. Maths material not there because we have only 150 copies. Whereas other students writing CET, then maths material not there. Now, in the class, from this, I will write question to question and then I will solve problems. On the board I will write. Plus, assignment we are giving a JE students already they have got material, so I will tell them level 2 homework, level 2 problem numbers homework, do this. Okay. But whereas others, other 500 students nearly, now they told me that there is some telegram groups, something. Telegram groups, something is there, I don't know what is story. In that telegram groups and something fashion, in that they are sending you PDF copies assignments. Okay? You are receiving some or other way about mathematics only. Books are not there for all other CET students, NEET students, but you are receiving PDF copies from in your group. Hence, you are not missing anything. If I say level 2 problem number 5, 7, 9 homework means you are receiving. Otherwise, I will write on the board, then I am solving level 1 also. Every chapter I will start doing level 1 problems compulsory. We are doing here. Right? If I say assignment level 2, you have no book. Then you are receiving this PDF supplements, copy to copy, chapter wise, separately. In your telegram groups, in PDF copies you are receiving. Then you are lucky that you will get material for mathematics. Okay? Even though maths books not there, you are receiving this material, chapter to chapter. If I finish all the chapters, book you are receiving. Only regarding maths. But other subjects, you are sitting at home. Who will do this bundle? I will prepare. Maximum 3 days time. Everyone should take this NEET material. Start preparing yourself. Okay? Very, very important, and material is good quality. Questions and everything we have seen, they are all good. Moreover, you have to practice your NCERT textbooks, very essential. They are related to this I am calling, not maths. NCERT maths is not important. Directly I am telling, for exams. Only theory exam, how to escape only theory exam NCERT book. It will not give you knowledge in subject NCERT book. Okay. You have to depend on additional. If you practice CET plus mains, if IIT students CET material extra like this book, then you are very strong in PUC. NCERT book alone is not giving you full support for even PUC also. Therefore, day to day, compulsory, do PUC theory immediately objective. Related to CET, IIT students, JE students anyway, this is also not sufficient. More things they have to do, depth must be there, concept, extra things many are there, that we will see later. Okay? If they are having additional material or anything extra, some reference books, they have to do it. I am not saying therefore you are not doing, that is not our formula. JE, whoever is exclusively practicing, they should have own additional reference books, anything also they can practice. In addition to our material, anything extra you are doing, it is important for you. Okay? Common core I am asking, common. What is common here? All students who are writing PUC and this CET and everything, for them I am explaining. Today, from today in 3 days, maximum all students should have their material in the hand. First point. Second point, related to maths, CET not there. Level 1 I will write on the board, I will explain. Level 2, any additional material is required, they will send you PDF copies chapter by chapter in your groups. Finally, you are perfect with material. about our maths. This is what I want to explain. Okay, enough today.